chance to prove myself. Take the wheel, hit the gas, gonna race.
Hey guys, this is Kyle with Radflo Suspension. We're here in our headquarters in Fountain Valley, California. We've got the Peak Suspension ZR2 behind us, and we're getting ready to install our OE replacement 2.5-inch front coilovers and rear shocks. Our front coilovers are height adjustable from 0 to 2 inches, featuring a remote reservoir as well as a compression adjuster. Our rear shocks, again, 2.5-inch diameter with a piggyback style reservoir and compression adjuster. Everything is manufactured right here in-house. All of our shocks are fully serviceable and rebuildable. And yeah, we're excited to get this going.
I've been waiting for the chance to break